Each of us has a natural preference for the way we receive, process, and impart information. To communicate, we tend to use 3 of our 5 senses more than the other 2: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Known as representational systems, we represent our world using one or more of these senses, or modes. With a person who has a preference for visual communication, we should concentrate on helping the person see our point of view through diagrams, pictures, images, or ideas that can be seen. People who communicate through the auditory mode tend to think in words and sounds. What and how things are said has more of an impact on them than what they see. And kinesthetic people tend to rely on how things feel to them as they communicate after they have seen and heard things. I have a good feeling about this, for example. These are only preferences, but if you can communicate in the way the other person assesses information, you have a greater chance of being on their wavelength and helping them understand things more clearly.